Fujifilm Instax is a credit card-sized instant film that works with Fujifilm's Instax mini series of cameras. Created in 2011, this instant analog film offers vivid color and works well with natural skin tones. Fine grain and sharpness, plus the sensitivity of ISO 800, makes this a perfect use for fast-action subjects as well as shooting in dim lighting. You can find this new film type under the Color Efex Pro filter library by selecting Film Effects Modern Branded. You can also click on the Film tab to display the different analog film types. On the right panel, click on the drop-down menu and select Fujifilm Instax. As you scroll through the film types, you will see the image instantly updates to realistically simulate color sensitivity, saturation, tone curve, and grain for each of the different film types. You can make further adjustments to customize the look of the selected film type by moving any of the sliders. For example, we will add more saturation to the blues in this image by moving the slider to the right. Here's a tip. You can easily save custom changes to be applied to other images. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the film panel and click on the Save Recipe button. Enter a name that would make sense to you the next time you access this recipe, such as Fujifilm Instax Max Blue. To find your custom recipe, go to the bottom of the left panel and select Recipes. The next time you open a new image and want to apply the same effects, make sure the Recipes section is open and select the custom recipe you want to use. Remember, you can always update the recipe after making changes by selecting the rotating arrow and choosing Replace to update it. Try starting out with the Fujifilm Instax film type and then make your own custom adjustments by saving it as a recipe so that you can add the same effect to your other images.